I'm Kristin with the Rogers Public Library, and this week for Catch 'em All at the library, we will be focusing on Eiscue. So in your craft packet, you are going to have a small pipe cleaner and then several pieces of construction paper that have little pieces for us to cut out on them. So a small white one, small orange one, a long thin black one, and a long, little bit fatter blue one. So the first thing we're gonna do is just cut out all of the outside lines. So just go around the outside. If there is a line across the middle, do not cut that. We just want to go around the outside and cut all these out, and then I will show you how to make Eiscue. All right, so once we have all our pieces cut out, first of all, I'm going to take my white, which is going to be the tummy, and my little tiny blue triangles. Now, if yours came all the way apart, like that, because that's extremely easy to do since they are so close together, that is fine, because we're just going to glue them onto the tummy anyway, so you won't even know. So I'm just going to take my glue stick and put some glue on one side. It doesn't matter which side you do. And then we're gonna glue the blue triangles with their points pointing in towards the center of the belly onto the white. Now, if like these, your triangles have come apart, then we just glue them on one at a time instead of at the same time. And just line them up so their corners touch. And ta-da! Can't even tell. All right. So next we're going to take our long thin black piece and we're going to glue our white belly to this long thin black piece, but we want to leave a little bit of space at the bottom, but just a little bit, so maybe about an inch, or if you put the foot across the bottom sideways, about at the top of the foot is where you would glue your white belly onto your black. So get some glue all over the back of the white, and then glue it just in the center of the short way. So there's a little bit of black on either side of your white belly. All right. Now we're gonna let that dry with the glue just for a minute. We're gonna come over here to our long fat blue rectangle. So you will see on your paper that there are light lines that go all the way across a few times. So we're just gonna fold on those lines. And it doesn't matter if you fold it this way or this way towards the front or the back, as long as you fold it the same for each fold. So since I folded this back, I need to fold this one back, and then fold this one back, and fold this last one back, so that they're all folded the same way, because we're gonna bring this around, and that last little about an inch, maybe a little less, that is going to overlap with the beginning, and we're going to glue that to make a little rectangle. 3D rectangle. Now, before we glue it though, decide which side you want to be your face, because we're gonna draw the little face on. So Eiscue's face is just very lightly on here, so you don't see like thick dark lines. So you can use either the first rectangle next to the thin part, or that first rectangle next to where we're gluing the thin part. So either way, basically the second rectangle from either end, one of them is going to be your face, and you can choose, it doesn't matter which one. So all we need to do to draw Eiscue's face are to draw some big eyes. On either side, and they're gonna be ovals, kind of little fat ovals. And then right at the bottom of the eyes, right in the middle, we're gonna draw a beak. So for the beak, we're gonna start right under one of the eyes. And you're gonna go slowly up a little bit and then back down to the other side. Just make a little line, a little up and a little down. And we're just gonna make a little rounded edge on either side. And then, just like we did this line at the top, we're gonna do that again on the bottom. A little down and a little up and connect the lines. Then we're gonna draw a line right through the center. Go a little down and a little up, right through the middle of our beak, and that's the separation of the beak. And then Eiscue's beak is kind of shaped a little like a diamond, so it has a point or a small edge here in the middle on the top and on the bottom. So just draw a little line going up and down in the middle. And that's his face. Okay. So then, take your pencil and poke a little hole right in the middle on the next rectangle up. That's going to be the top of his head. Since we drew his face right here, the top of his head is going to be the next one. Poke just a little hole right in the middle. Okay, and then we are done with our pencil. And we can go ahead and put some glue on this thinnest rectangle here, this little strip. And we're gonna go ahead and glue that to the bottom rectangle right underneath his face. And then we have his head. All right, now we're gonna come back to the black body with the white belly and our little blue triangles on it. And this is gonna be kind of stiff now where we have the multiple layers of paper. So we're just gonna kind of gently bend it so that it makes like a little half circle, or just make a whole circle, just to get it to where it will bend a little bit. Then, right underneath the white belly, we're gonna fold that little bit of black that we left. We're gonna fold that back. And then we're going to bring the other side around, and we're going to glue that to the part we just folded. So, put some glue on the little part we folded, and then stick those two ends together. Now, so that the body will stand up, you can see still where the division is. between where the end of that other little part that we left before. We're just gonna fold right on that edge. So we folded this side back, and now I'm gonna take the other side and fold it back towards the front so that the body can stand up like this and have this flat piece on the bottom. All right, now we're gonna take little orange feet, and we just need to put a little bit of glue right at the back of the foot, the large rounded end, or larger rounded end, single rounded point. And we're gonna glue that right to the bottom. Same thing for the other foot. And then up at the top here, it's very rounded, which is fine. But I'm going to just flatten it out just a little bit by pressing down, just so that I have more space to glue. Now we're gonna take our wings. So this other black strip with the two rounded edges and the line in the middle, these are the wings. So that line in the middle is just showing you where the middle of the wings are, and we're gonna put some glue right across that middle line, and you can go a little bit out on either side from it. And then we're going to stick that right across the top of the body. So that line in the middle goes right about the middle of the body. And that is gonna let our wings stick out. I'm just gonna press down. You can reach inside so you can press on both sides. And then bend down each wing on either side so that they will kind of stick out a little bit. And then we just need to finish up the head. So I'm gonna let that set to the side for a minute. And I'm going to grab my little piece of pipe cleaner, and we're going to stick that right through that little hole that we poked in the middle of the head. So we just need a little bit of the pipe cleaner on the inside so that we can reach in and hold on to that, and then go up to the top and fold the pipe cleaner over, so that basically your pipe cleaner on the inside part and the outside part are pinching the top of his head. And press them together. And then we're going to fold our pipe cleaner over and just fold it back and forth a couple of times with some sharp points, because Eiscue has a single little hair on the top of his head that sticks up in little crazy points. So, but having that part pinch is gonna hold it in place very well. Okay, now the last thing is just to attach the head. So now take our glue. We're gonna put glue right across the top of the wings on the body. And then we want to try and get the body and the head connected as close as we can to the center of the head. So I would hold your head and put your thumb or your finger, however you're holding it, right around the center if you're going this way, the shorter way, and then on the side, so that we can go ahead and stick that body to the head right about the center. And if you've put your thumb or your finger on the center line there, then the wing is going to line up with your thumb or finger. And that will get you right in the center. And then just press that and maybe hold it for a minute just so the glue gets a good hold. And then your Eiscue is done. Now he should be able to stand up. If he's falling over, reach down to the bottom and just kind of push his belly forward and kind of push that fold so that it leans a little more forward instead of leaning back. And then try again. If that doesn't work and you're still having trouble getting him to stand up, then you can go ahead and take your feet back off and then fold the bottom a little bit more with the white belly a little bit folded over. That should give us just enough extra weight to make him stand up. So if you need to do that, you can. And then we just glue the feet right back on. Right where they were before. And then there he is. And that is our craft for this week. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you next week to make another Pokemon.